Okay, here's some air conditioners at this is Heal Heating Cold Production. Wait, why is this air spinning around? Wish I can stop. I don't know why it's spinning like that. But now we'll go to the other. Wait, let me look at the something's. This looks like an air duct inside. Yeah. Let's get to the other air conditioners here. And I'll just find where the ones. Here is another air conditioner. Right there. Another air conditioner, Heal. Why are there's two on with the house with that upstairs. I don't know why. But yeah.
It'll never run again.
You think it'll never run again? I know he got me one to stay here one time.
Okay, so bye.